Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find projection or project any on any video you want, or make this projection effect on any video on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. Just for example, uh, enter the application, and here on the explore page choose any video, for example this one, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it as you see, and here you will find this projection. Click on it, and here right now it's searching for the devices. No devices available. Ensure the device is under the same Wi-Fi. So that's it. Here how to find it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.